When your professional stamp runs out of ink, here's how to replace the ink cartridge. Compress the stamp just enough to separate the ink pad from the rubber stamping surface. Press the lock button on the front of the stamp to hold the stamp in place. Pull the ink cartridge out by the tab on the back. Remove the cap from the new ink cartridge. Hold the new ink cartridge with the ink facing down. Slide the ink cartridge into place. Press the stamp down to release the lock button. Your professional stamp is now ready to be used for a flawless impression.